Welcome to Qalyptus Cloud. This video will guide you step by step through generating your first report. To start working, go to your Qalyptus profile and sync the list of your Qalyptus apps. We'll use one of these apps to generate an Excel report. Let's refresh the app metadata. Now that everything is set up, let's create our first report. The first step is to create a project, which helps you organize content and manage permissions. I'll create an Excel report and link it to my project. Qalyptus Cloud supports 4 report types: Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and HTML. HTML reports can be exported as a file or embedded directly in an email message. To design the report, I'll edit the template using Excel, either in Excel Desktop or Excel Online. The Qalyptus Cloud add-in will open automatically, allowing me to select the Qalyptus app I want to use in the Apps tab. You can see the app variables, objects by sheet, and visualization master items. I'll choose the objects I want to add to my template. Objects can be inserted as tables or images. The Overview tab contains the selected objects. I right-click on the object and click Insert. You can fully customize them using Excel's features: resize, move, and format as needed. Let's preview the report to see the result. Once done, close the file. It's automatically saved in your Qalyptus Cloud tenant. You can also create filters and conditions in your reports, but we won't cover that in this video. For more details, check out our documentation. Next, we'll create a task to distribute the report. First, add the report and select the output format. Check the option to send the file as an email attachment. Add a subject and message for the email. Then specify the recipients, either individual users or groups. There are two ways to automate task execution. Schedule the task to run at specific times or trigger the task based on a click event. I will add both to demonstrate. On the status page, you can view scheduled tasks, along with details about their status and next execution time. I'll run the task manually. The task is now complete. Let's check the email to confirm the report was successfully received. Thank you for watching this video. To learn more about the features we didn't cover, such as filters and conditions, report storage and cloud storage services, Qalyptus extension for ClickSense, and more, please visit the Qalyptus documentation website. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@qalyptus.com.